I'm Anil Kumar, and here in this video I'll tell you the best way of finding equation of a parabola from the given graph. The question here is, write an equation in the form of y equals to ax square plus bx plus c to represent the relation shown in the graph. We are given a parabola which has a vertex at 112. So what we know here is this point vertex is 112. So that is critical to find the equation of the parabola. And the second critical point from this graph is when you move one unit to the right from the vertex, right? So where does the graph cuts y value? What is a y value? So what we find here is the steps 1, 2, 3 steps. 3 steps down means minus 3, and that is the value of a, right? Now combining these two values, we can write the equation of parabola in vertex form, which is y equals to a times x minus p whole square plus q, where the value of p and q can be written from the vertex. So the vertex gives you p and q, and a is the step, in this case minus 3. Do you understand? Now if I substitute these values, I straight away get the equation of parabola in vertex form. So I can write this as y equals to, opening downwards, first 3 steps, right? Minus 3 x minus p1 square plus 12, right? So that is the equation in vertex form. Now in this particular question, we have to expand and write it in standard form. So let us expand it. So that is the answer for the vertex form, but we need to expand and write the answer in standard form. So we have minus 3, square of this is x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 12, right? So let's expand this, minus 3x square plus 6x minus 3. So that is a distributive property, plus 12. So at this stage, what we did was we multiplied each term in the bracket by minus 3. The signs will change, okay? So take care of that part. Now combine the like terms. We have minus 3x square plus 6x, and as far as the constants are concerned, we get plus 9. So that is the answer, right? So our answer is, in standard form, the equation of the parabola representing the graph is y equals to minus 3x square plus 6x plus 9. That is how you can get it. Some of you can also use the x-intercepts, right? So these are the x-intercepts and then the vertex. You can use these x-intercepts and get the equation. So in that case, the method should be, you could write as y equals to a times x-intercept. This one is at minus 1, so the factor will be x plus 1, and this one here is at 3, right? So it will be x plus 3. Now to find a, you can use this value 1 and 12, right? So you can write x as 1, y as 12, find a, right? Or if you use my technique, then you can use a as minus 3. So even if you expand this, you should get the same expression. That is to say, if I use a as minus 3, which I should use, x plus 3, and when you expand it, you will get exactly the same answer, right? So that is the second method. So let me write this as the second method, okay? Using factored form. This is from factored form. And here we applied first method, which is from vertex form. Right? So have a good look at it and see how I found the equation very easily, right? At times, if you're not very clear about these steps, or if you don't know about it, in that case, what you should do is you can use the y-intercept. In this case, put x as 0 and y-intercept as 9, find the value of a, right? In this equation also, you know p and q. You can find the value of a using y-intercept, okay? So sometimes you can use y-intercept, which in this case is at 0 we have 9. Is it okay? You can see here, if I substitute 0 here, you get 9 as your y-intercept. So it's kind of a check for you now. But I really appreciate this particular method, that you can actually get the value of a from the steps, right? So that is what it is. You can subscribe to my videos and understand these steps so that you can really get the equation of quadratic function so easily. I hope it helps. Thank you and all the best.